Dito yung nakapark yung mga yate namin, guys. Good morning, magandang umaga, Dobry Utra in Russian. Mayong buntag in Bisaya. Welcome to our multilingual family. International, interracial, multilingual family. Is this scrambled eggs with garlic because he likes scrambled egg with garlic. Cook scrambled eggs best. He's the best in the scrambled egg dishes. That's why he's preparing our breakfast. And we're gonna eat avocado. We're gonna put it on top of our toast. Where is the ripe one? The ripe one is here. This one is already ready. It's still green, but it's called evergreen, I think. That's why it's still green. But it's already ripe. This one is not yet. Maybe tomorrow it's gonna be ready. And that's our macho chef. And I will prepare our coffee. Sila lang dalawa ni Anya ang inom ng kape. Tingnan nyo to, may nakita kami, may nabili kami na Vietnam Arabica coffee dun sa may Dumaguete. What's the name of the store again where we bought this? I forgot. But they have lots of different coffee there, and we choose this Vietnam Arabica because we really love the coffee in Vietnam. I mean the Vietnamese coffee. When we live there for more than a year, really love it. It's one of the best experience of our life drinking Vietnamese coffee in Vietnam. And yeah, it's just taste different from other coffee. Like it. We like it so much. Especially Dimitri. He is a coffee lover. So I'm gonna prepare our coffee here. We have Earl Grey. Meron kaming leftover tea kagabi. Itong mga Russian, mahilig silang mag-tea. Why Russian loves tea so much? Fun fact about Russian. They cannot live a day without tea. Tea and bread and potato. Mahilig talaga sila sa tea, kaya dito sa bahay ang dami naming tea. Pag may bumibisita dito ng mga Russians, nagdadala talaga sila ng tea galing Russia, kaya ang dami naming tea sa bahay. Ito, Russian tea, dala ng kanyang kapatid. Ayan pa, meron pa kami dito mga dala ni Eugene, dala ng ibang mga bisita namin. Punong-puno na kami ng tea. Kaya ako din, nahilig na rin ako sa tea. Ito pinadala to ng mother-in-law ko. Tea din ito. Daming tea dito sa bahay. Mas uminom ako ng tea kaysa kape ngayon kasi sa kape medyo... Hi! Maliligo. Walang pasok si Yuri ngayon kasi kahapon exam sila sa final exam nila sa second quarter yata yun. And then today is rest day, and then tomorrow exam na naman ulit sila. So magbi-beach kami ngayong araw. Punta kami ng Chateau Negros Oriental sa may Cocos Nest. Magdadala kami ng mangga, Indian mango. Nabili ako ng Indian mango kahapon. Lami kayo. Kuha ko. Excited.
Нави с пивасем ходят. It's like you're drinking beer.
Beer.
I thought actually it's first kombucha when you gave me. What tea is it? Is this from? It's Earl Grey, this tea?
Mama, I taste that, Mama.
Mixed berries tea.
Berries? This is what you bought yesterday? Twinnies? Twinnies? Девочка. Or 7-Eleven закапать.
Alright, ready to go to Shaton Beach Day. Kuya, no school today? You don't have school today? Today we're going to beach. Yay!
Что это? It's okay to go? Не уверен. Нормально же? Можно ехать? Для машины вообще?
Welcome to Tambubo Bay. Daan muna kami dito sa Tambubo Bay. Picture, chill. Malapit lang dito yung yung destination talaga namin na Cocos Nest. Tingnan niyo yung kanilang CR. Cute. Dito yung nakapark yung mga yate namin, guys. Char lang. By the way, dito yung mga yate nakapark. Ano to, parkingan ng mga yate. Wala kaming yate, guys. Wala kaming yate. joke lang. Sana nga meron kaming yate. Ang daming mga ano dito, yate. Siguro dito nakapark ang yate ni Fins Now. Kilala nyo ba si Fins Now? Meron siyang yate eh. Wala dito yung yate niya. Malaki yung yate niya.
Let's go, Papa.
Бамбуковая кища. Ты не возмущаешься? И бамбуковая собака. Ха-ха, толстый. Let's drink something. Какой жиробасик. Как бамбук, да? I will drink coffee there.
But maybe order something. Sige na, pay na.
Not scratch you,
Yeah.
Be careful, ha?
but careful.
Wala ra ba na ikuan? Wala na injection lagay.
Dog is nice also.
Yeah,
So fat.
Probably used to people.
and now
Прям из фильма кадр. Это мангро.
oysters.
Oh, oysters.
Мангровые заросли.
Jellyfish. Yes, jellyfish.
It's this way. This way down. Here is for guests.
Комната. Смотреть все в округе. О,
Great.
дергается аж, дергается. А дергается аж.
Papa.
Pababa kami kasi nandun sa baba yung beach. Kasi ito dito, cliff. Nandun sa baba yung beach nila and restaurant. Wow, high tide.
When?
Excited si Yuri mag-swimming, mag-snorkel. Binilhan namin siya kahapon ng sarili niyang snorkel.
Apa nyo?
Snorkeling mask.
Apa nyo?
А?
Panyon. Panyon.
Aga, kuya! Mag-snorkel si kuya. Rest ni kuya from exam yesterday. Tomorrow, exam na naman. Ngayon, pahinga muna si kuya. Go, kuya, go! Snorkel na! Go, snorkel! Hindi naman niya kinakain. Natuto na si Baby Mia. Turtle! Baby turtle! It's not deep there. Avocado for baby sis. Yummy pizza, kuya.
Дозрелая, но мне нравится, когда она дозреет.
Our
Она
mango.
становится сладкой кислой.
Try ni Anya ang mango.
Ну, это тоже что-то.
Indian mango. It's called Indian mango.
Прикольно. Типа как яблоко.
Like apple? We also have apple mango. You like it, yeah?
I like especially when it's already more ripe.
More ripe? No, I like just like that. Ayun si Yuri at saka ang papa niya. Doon na sa malayo, oh. Snorkeling silang dalawa doon. Si Yuri, gusto niya talagang mag-snorkeling na. Naghanap sila doon ng corals at isda daw. Cute nilang dalawa. Para silang yung dolphins na may kasamang maliit na baby. Sila ng dalawa ang kasamang mag-snorkeling ngayon. Hindi na kami ni Dimitri. Meron ng ibang kasama si Dimitri. Ang galing na talaga ni Kuya Yuri mag-snorkeling, oh. Punta na silang malayo. Ayan, ang baby turtle. Baby turtle. Ayan, turtle. Baby Mia. No, turtle. The turtle is going to the ocean. Mia! Buti si Baby Mia, hindi na niya kinakain yung mga buhangin. Nang nasa Sikihor kami, first ko siyang pinalaro ng buhangin. Kinain niya yung buhangin doon. Pinapasok niya sa kanyang bibig. Pero ngayon, natuto na siya. Hindi na niya kinakain. Laro-laro na lang siya. Gustong-gusto niya talaga maglaro dyan sa buhangin. Time to nap! Nap na ang baby girl. Sarap naman ang pwesto ng baby girl dito. Sana hindi umulan. Parang parating na yung ulan. I walk across. Sarap ng tulog ng bata. May natural white noise. Ang alon. Yung may hotdog. You're red. You're like a lechon now. There's no sun. It's not even sunny today, but you're already sunburned. Tulog na ang mga baby. Si Kuya wala pa. Nanood siya ng YouTube. Wow. Very nice. Secluded beach. Private. Dimitri said it's nice to have like that. A secluded private beach. Nag-order ako ng lunch. Yun si Anya. Walking. Sabi ni Anya, mas ano daw siya ngayon, ang mananatili sa kanyang isip is ang Sikihor. Sobrang gusto niya talaga dun sa Sikihor. Kasi of course, madami siyang surprises doon. And maganda din naman talaga ang Siquijor, ang beach doon, Paliton Beach. Hindi nga kami nakapunta sa maraming lugar doon. Hindi kami nakapunta ng Kambugahay, mga caves doon, ibang beach pa. May Marine Sanctuary din doon. Pero at least na-enjoy talaga siya. Sabi niya, yun talaga ang tatatak sa isip niya, ang Siquijor. Kaya nga lang hindi namin siya nadala dun sa Kambugahay at saka sa Lagdoong Beach. Wala na kasi kaming time nun. But well, maybe next time. At least she enjoyed it. Baby sis, hello. Na-wake up na ang bata. How's your sleep, Langka? Langla. Mia. Like? No, 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 no. Size. Baby's turn. Alright, let's swim again. Gusto na naman ni baby maglaro-laro dyan sa dalampasikan. Let's go. Kuya, sulitin mo yan kasi exam ka na naman tomorrow. Tomorrow is exam again, kuya. Yes. Yes. Kuya found a friend. Look. Kuya has a friend. Kuya, did you have fun?
I'm hungry.
You hungry now? But we're going home now. We'll buy snacks on the way, okay? We called you, but you didn't come. You're enjoying too much. Yay, you did it. Last steps. Last stairs, kuya. Whew. Nakapagod umakyat. Doon ba kami sa baba? Very good, kuya.
Okay.
Baby sis, you did it. Whew, I was the last one. Tada! Ay, sorry. Welcome home. Baka. How are you, Baka?